Hello, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna try to differentiate logarithmic and exponential functions given with other bases. Our function is 4 to the power of x plus logarithm of the cubic root of 2x plus 1, and this is given in base 2. And then here the base is not e anymore, but just a number or integer 4. And here are the formulas that we derived in the lecture notes. So if you have a function of the form a to the power of x, where a is a real number, the derivative of this is equal to ln of a times the same thing, a to the power of x. And we have a logarithmic function here with base 2, so I think we should utilize this formula here. Because we have logarithm of u with base a, and u is a function of x. And in fact, this is exactly what's going on here. So this is a function of x, and then the base is 2. So a is 2, u is that function, the cubic root function. So the derivative of this is 1 over ln of a times u times the derivative of u, in other words, u prime. And now we're going to apply these two rules for the corresponding piece here. For that reason, I'm going to write f prime. Since this is the sum of two pieces, I'm going to write it as like the derivative of the first piece plus the derivative of the second piece. All right, for the derivative of this piece here, I'm going to use this formula for a equals 4, and still I have x here, so it's a to the x. So the derivative is going to be ln 4 times 4 to the x. And for the second piece, I'm going to use this formula for a equals 2. So for a equals 2 and u equals cubic root of 2x plus 1. All right, so if we come up with the derivative of the cubic root function here, then we're done. So to take the derivative of this piece, I'm going to use the chain rule. But first, I want to write this quantity here, or this function here, as 2x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over 3. All right, this term here is simplified as 2x plus 1 to the power of negative 2/3. So in other words, this term here can be written as a reciprocal, 1 over 2x plus 1 to the power of 2/3, right? And you have another 1/3 power here, so bringing them together is getting you all the way to this term raised to the power of 1, which is exactly what it is. And then this is the final simplification, final result. So this is equal to f prime of x. All right, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.